Hey everyone, this time I have an old friend of mine. I've had this Amazing Spider-Man 21 for most of my life, and if you see the angles, here's how wrinkly it is. You can see how bad this book really is. And it also has these little kind of spots in it. I don't know what those are from. I might try to get those out. Things like this here. You can't really see very well, but it's old, it's brittle. And I bought this book new in 1984 and I wrote the price in here in pencil for $10. So I wrote the price in a lot of my old books that I paid for. Oh man, this smells beautiful. And the paper's a little yellowy on top, a little brighter on the bottom. Usually the inside page does it. It's got some bad cutting here. It was not cut straight, like even remotely. Look at that. That's really terrible. But I still love this book and I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to fix it up. And we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to clean it with my cleaner and I'm going to press it as per normal, but I won't bore you with watching me do that. We'll see what happens. So if you're curious, this is the dirt that I pulled out of this book. So that's what it looks like, but I don't notice that it looks any different. We'll see when it's all pressed and clean. We'll see at the end. So here it is with one pass and just the top half of the book cleaned. I'll let you decide if you can see a difference between the top and the bottom. It's subtle because I didn't clean it very much, but I think there's a difference. With my eye, I can see it. I don't know if you can or not, but I see a difference from, basically you can tell here to here actually. It's a lot cleaner. It looks less reflective in this picture. You can see that, well, maybe a little bit less reflective. But definitely I would say cleaner. You can see there, it looks better. The whole book I think looks overall better, and I'll clean the bottom half next. Hey everyone, this is Rick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Amazing Spider-Man 21. Here's what it looks like now. It's half clean. I'll clean the rest of it later. I just wanted to share with you what the pads look like when we're cleaning it. You can see that they picked up a lot of dirt, and they also picked up, as is true with all older Silver Age books, my cleaning process is going to remove some of the red and some of the yellow ink. The others aren't nearly as soluble, but some comes up, and it's a risk that I take every time. You'll see a little bit in the pads if you look closely, but more dirt comes than ink, so you have to strike a balance when you're doing these things. One last thing is I'll show you before and after pictures here of the book you can take a look at. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye-bye.